Okay, so for this practical, when we measure to find out when we find out to find out the focal length of a convex mirror by using of convex lens, we need a such an instrument. This one is similar. We already known instrument for us. Optical bench, two needle, one convex lens and one convex mirror. Here this one is a convex mirror. Now we already this is the same lens we are used in our previous one where we are calculating the convex focal length of this convex lens. So we all know about the approximate rough focal length of this lens. Am I right? And the rough focal length of this lens is 16.5 centimeter. Now we are going to place this lens at the position of 80. Am I right? Am I clear? I am going to place this lens at 80 centimeter, and I am going to place this one is our object needle. This one is our object needle, and I am going to place this object needle at the position of 1.5 times of the rough focal length. And if the rough focal length is 16.5 centimeter, then 1.5, it means that approximately 24.75 centimeters. So I am placed this needle as far from the 24.5 centimeter from that one. Okay, and now I'm going to place this mirror at the position of 70. Now we are going to our table. We already placed this one is here, and one thing, please remember that this position and this position of the object needle position and the of convex mirror position must be at far from the 30 centimeter from each other. I have already included that. You can see that 10, 20, 30 and more than 30. Just more than 30 centimeter. Okay. Now I am already placed this one as 70 centimeter. So I am going to write down. This one is our table. We have to write down here 70 centimeter. Now we are going to adjust this one. Okay, I am going to adjust this one. Okay, just a minute. Similar, like you can see the image of the needle. I think you can, all of you can see that. Yeah, just. I am all of you can see that this one and this one already without the parallaxial error. So each of the point, the two needle are coincide each other. So that means the image of this needle, the image of this needle is coming back from this mirror, and they are coincide each other. Now we are going to remove this one. We are going to remove this one, and we are going to now adjust this one on this side. So get back the image position of that needle by through this convex lens. This is the position of the image due to the convex mirror. Now we are going to taken out the image of that needle by through the convex lens. Similarly the enlarged. Just a minute. I'm going to adjust this one. I'm already seeing the 31. Okay. Just a minute. I am just adjusting this one. Okay, I am already adjusted. You can see that without parallaxial error. Just shift this one up towards this direction or this direction. By to the adjustment, we get that position where these two thing, the image two are coincide each other, so we get the image position, image length. Now take it out, find out the value of this one. 30, 31, 31. It is, but it is not touched the 31.1, so that's why we are this one is not touched 31.1, so we are taking as a 31. Clear? Now we are going to place this convex mirror as 65 centimeter. It must be more, the difference between mirror and this object mirror must be more than 30 centimeters. So now is it at 65 centimeter. Now similarly I am going to adjust this one. You can see that there are, however, some parallaxial error. I am going to adjust this one. Okay. I'm just remove that one. You can see that at each of the position, the image by through the mirror is at the focal length, at the position of that focal length. Am I clear? Now we make it is at that position. Again we remove this one and we are going to adjust this one to take out the image length of that position. Image length. I'm going to you can see that this one is not in the same position, so I'm going to adjust this one, okay, by through taking out the position. Now you can see that I just remove the parallaxial error and they are coincide each other, the image, so we can get the image length. Am I clear? So what is that value? The value of the image position is 25, 26, 26.5, 26.7, 26.7. So this one is 26.7. Clear? Again I am going to place this mirror is far from this object, and now I am going to place this one as 60 centimeter. Okay, again I am going to adjust this one. You can see that there is some parallaxial error is there. I am going to remove this one. Okay, now you can see that I am already removed that one. Okay, in the each of the position the needle is coincide each other. Okay, again similarly just remove this one, remove the mirror and adjust the image position. Adjust the image position. Adjust the image position. Just a minute. I will when I am showing you the all thing, then the video length is become much more higher. So Okay, I'm already get that position. Okay, it is not difficult. Okay, you just see in the video, that's why you think that this one is a difficult process. Just take this position at a perfect point, you get that focal length position. Now okay, now we are going to take the reading of this position. 21.56, 21.6. So for the 60s of the mirror position, 21.6. Now I am going to place this one as 55 centimeter. Okay. Okay, I'm going to adjust this one. Okay, I'm get that position. Each of the point they are coincide each other. Now I'm going to remove this one. And one thing is that we doesn't need this position. We just need that position where the image is coincide with this one with the object, and we are fix this object position for the specific reading. Now similarly, I am going to adjust that one to taken out the image length. Okay. Okay, I'm get that position. You can see that. Okay. So just take out this reading. 15, 16, 16.3, 16.3. So 16.3. This is the this part is the table part. We are just find out the reading. The next video is coming on the calculation part. Okay, thank you.